Bynta kasngi kahinyau tarik urampang arhajar arpulai, kila dan satang lai ngut ki Kyrteng ki balayo ban pendap ban Thep Kyrteng yaladi haki returning officer hadisi office mau kerwan nak benta ban yakun hakani ki election MLA arhajar arpulai haka baki ni ki lai ngut ki dei ki ban yakun nak lai pesan Ranikor Konstitwensi kilong ubi citro hajong kum ukertong shimet uba savio prangsngi dekar kum ukertong shimet bat utem sing ji moment naka parti Trinamool Congress TMC. Hadian begila dap ban Thep igi Kyrteng ke jongki kila sei halaki jongki nia ki jutang yaka kaba naka liang jongki ki kwa ban aireng ban yakon hakan ki election MLA arhajar arkhulai hakaba kila ong baka jing tumu kaba kongsan ka jongki kalong ban wanra yaka jing baha hakan ni ka dong kathan bat hakaba ya dei bat kapuli puthi ka kwat ka khia ki surong bat nak banta ka rap karyang
kapelong yang ban yang Ilekshon menyakun kadai back ningkong fast ngawan ra yang ka TMC makwa ban roi ban par ka imang salang kwat ka khia hakadong kathan khamtam ka Ranikor Konstitwensi hari pause kidon gini kam kijam mangidon jingthut jingwet pat ban kra yang i kabas new tengam kwa bangan poi kabas new ban lam ki pajba haka jingjot bat ka jing long sakri jongno ri jongno pan long nong tong jongno ri jongno han rei menta ngami na TMC kan yeng kum ukertong simet jong ka independen kanang manin yo ya kata manin yo ka jing lai lut ka bakut ka basuba ka batikna pasirta ka jelawe jong ki jai panreu boro khamtam ki bab tangkha dangpun na he dangsan akwa ban kin yang no rem la ka jong ti kejat jongki om dei ban lek sakri haying jong nur jong no na kaliang jonga ko pa map yang bangala ka kanbas yepi ban ngala pentip yepi hakini ki banai ki beladap kum ku Kyrteng jong TMC Henry ngaperkat kinai yang kalat klenti dengan trihok yuduk usuk urang li juki ukup siliang usam siliang Henry endang lalap kalong menman kumbangi le bisnes penban dei nak takadau ko pajba topej pi syaw pinjit yano riano uno ukertong ne ka parti to danyo pada theo khang pan pinyo panlaj naka jing sitom pad ka jing long sakri long merau hano
election because this Ranikor constituency very backward in the field of education in the health center like hospital dispensary is very bad and this like agriculture in the sector of agriculture also not good. It's very poor, and that one was called that like very because when we get the education in the Ranikor constituency, then only it will develop because education give knowledge, and that when we will get the knowledge, then people will be already they will develop because in Ranikor constituency there is no higher secondary school and no college. That's why we are very undeveloped. Better when I pass this means MLA, then first I'll do that. I'll bring that college, higher secondary. Then I'll develop this agriculture sector and this horticultures and so many other issues are there like roads, road communication also not good, and this like network also not so good. Yeah, we are not getting internet. They are not getting this like 4G. It is very difficult for us for internet now.
Inone ba mokwat distribution mananga Ranikor area 30 years songjok bersih kolot sirang ongjok liba mamung development dongja saksa school nok rama jalang mamung ba dongja uni gemen anga kangkari kai antang dalo anga Ranikor 35 konstituo Kyrteng meni gemang asong jatna public na nama kamko dakchina nama ko anga kagen uni gemen anga dalo kangkari kai aro anga bersih kolot cimang donga anga ya maibao Ranikor konstituo uni gemen anga dalo Ranikor konstituo Kyrteng anga kangkari kai yang menanga chononi jangi thonga tau gutta MLA bersih kolaci ong puljok uni ko sebo da mamung develop dongja school ba dongja rama jalang dongja ICS MCS officer ba dongja saksa okil ba dongja after 30 years mamung dongja development uni ko rama jalang tharma mena border area mandi de kali business ka ba dongja qualification ko mandi dongja uni ko man barang cioli chagpa mandi san banga uni ko ya ko anga nami dakna ar nami string kana ar nami khambo kana ni anga talo kangkari kai Ranikor 35 Ranikor anga Kyrteng. Thank you.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela